Next one, simplify the products and add them. Okay, so first one, this is first one, second one, third one. First one you have to find out the product. So x into y. You take first term into binomial. So x into y, xy. Okay, x into minus 3x minus 3x square. First term into binomial. Second term into binomial. What is the second term? Minus 2y into y. Minus 2y square. Negative quantity into negative quantity. Positive quantity. 2 3 just 6. And x into y, xy. Okay? You find out the product directly. Okay? Next one. First one over. First product over. And second one plus. Second one x into x minus 3y. X into x square. X into minus 3y minus 3x. Okay? X with binomial completed. Next, plus y into x minus 3y. Okay? Plus y into x, that equal to xy. So y into minus 3y minus 3y square. Second one over. Okay, last one minus half. Okay, find out the product. So y into binomial, y into 4x, 4xy, y into minus 5y, that equal to minus 5y square. Next one, minus 3x into 4x minus 5y, minus 3 4 is 12 x square. Negative quantity into negative quantity, positive quantity. 3 5 is 15 xy. 15 xy. Okay, now we have to simplify it. Remove the brackets first. Xy minus 3x square y minus 2y square plus 6xy. Next, remove the brackets. Plus x square minus 3xy plus xy minus 3y square. Okay, if you want to remove these brackets, before you have subtraction symbol. Already you know, if you have subtraction from one expression to another expression, that second expression signs will be changed. That means minus of plus quantity minus 4xy. Minus of minus plus 5y square. Minus of minus plus 12x square. Minus of plus minus 15x. Okay, now you have to simplify it. Identify the like terms xy, 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 xy. These all are having same variable x and y, and they are known as like terms. Okay, now you add them. Okay, so what is the common? Xy is the common literal factors. Okay, now 1 plus 6, 7, 7 minus 3, 7 minus 3, 4, plus 1, 5, 5 minus 50, minus 5 minus 4, 1, 1 minus 15, that equal to minus 40. Okay, next one, x square terms. 3x square, this is x square. Okay, so 3 like terms are there. Okay, x square is common. Minus 3 plus 1, that equal to minus 2. Minus 2 plus 12, that equal to plus 10. Okay, next y square terms. 1, 2, 3. Okay, y square is common literal factor. Okay, remaining minus 2, minus 2, minus 3, minus 5, plus 5. That means 0. Okay, so 0 into y square, 0. That means minus 14xy plus 10x square is the result. Because 0 into y square equal to 0. Okay. The next product, next simplification, m plus n into m square minus mn plus n square. Okay, that means binomial into trinomial. First of all, you have to take m into trinomial. Okay, you have to find out their product directly. Okay, because you are not a kid. Okay, so m into m square m cube, positive quantity into negative quantity, m into mn, m into m square n. Okay, next m into positive quantity into positive quantity, m into n square mn square. Over. First one over. Now we have to take second term into this trinomial. Plus and plus of plus. N into m square n. You write such terms orally, m after n. Okay. Next, plus of minus n into mn mn square. The last and final, positive quantity into positive quantity, n into n square n. Now we have to identify like terms. Okay, m cube no, m square n, this is minus m square n, this is plus m square n. Both are having same variable, same exponents. Their coefficients are plus 1, minus 1. 1 minus 1, 0. That means both are cancelled. Mn square minus mn square. Their coefficients plus 1, minus 1. 1 minus 1, how much? 0. That means both were cancelled. So remaining plus n cube. Okay, m cube plus n cube is the resulting answer.